So welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create LinkedIn profile, especially for freshers and students. So LinkedIn is a very powerful network for getting a job, okay, and it's a very professional kind of social networking. So you should create a very good profile in LinkedIn. So it should be like very similar to how you have created your resume, okay. So once you have created a resume, you can use that as a template to upload information onto LinkedIn profile, okay. So here we will tell you like some kind of a basic tips and tricks to upload a better profile in LinkedIn. So we'll start. So the number one thing here is the profile picture, okay. So I'll show my LinkedIn profile so that you'll get an idea. So this is a profile picture, right? And there are some rules as to how this profile picture should be. Number one, it should be a close-up picture. Number two, you should look into the camera and you should smile, okay. And also the background should be a professional or a neutral background, okay. So let's see whether I have followed this. See, it is a close-up picture, but if you see, I've not like closed up too much into my face, okay. I've given some image of what is the attire I'm wearing, the dress that I'm wearing. So it is a formal kind of an dress. So I wanted to portray this. That's why I've taken this type of this size of a photograph. Okay, that's number one. I have not looked into the camera. Okay, and because like usually profile pictures are looking into the camera, so I wanted to be somewhat different. So that's why I looked away from it. So you should smile. And the drawback of my profile picture is the background. Okay, so the background is actually a colored background where there's not much difference between the face and the background. So I should have done a much more a plain background, okay. So don't give a very colorful multicolored kind of this kind of a background. Give a very plain background, okay. So that is with the profile picture, because profile pictures apply in varying sizes. For example, if you see, it will also be like this size and it can also be like this size and all, okay. So ensure your profile picture looks attractive. Two, the second thing is your background picture. So background picture refers to this background, okay. Normally LinkedIn gives a blue color kind of a background, okay. If you want, you can change this. Have the normal default blue background. Thereafter, if you want, you can change it, because it takes a lot of time to change this background. And don't put any words in this background, because the background is like dynamically it gets altered when it's like viewed in a mobile, okay. So if you put words and if it's like properly here, something like you put your name or something here, it will look proper in the in a laptop or in a PC. But when you go to a mobile mode, okay, the name or the words here will be behind your picture, okay. So we don't know like how it will comprise the background picture, okay, how LinkedIn will comprise the background picture, we don't know. So you have to like several times you have to alter the background picture with the words, and it becomes very difficult. So it's much better if you put just the plain kind of a background, okay. So some professional or some attractive kind of a background if you put, that's more than fine. So the next idea here is the keywords. So keywords actually play a very, very important part. If you're a fresher, you have to put words which aim for the job that you are going to go, okay. So assume that you want to be a faculty, or you want to be a trainer, okay, or you want to be a YouTube content creator. That's your like main profession you are aiming at or something. Whatever you're aiming at, okay, put those words here, because like that's very powerful, because anyone who's going to search your profile is going to use these words and they will be like searching, okay. For example, I will show you how my profile might come up in a search. So assume that someone is looking for a faculty or trainer for ACCA. Let's see how I might rank up. So let's see, okay, faculty or trainer for ACCA, the same words someone is searching. We'll put it like faculty for ACCA, okay. So let's see whether my profile comes up. So there are like many people profile will be there. So there are actually so many faculties are there, teachers are there for ACCA course. So they could search in terms of people, right? So someone is searching for who are faculty for ACCA. If they search like this, my profile will not be here, okay, because throughout the world all people's profile have been like shortlisted here. So you can see 7,100 people are there. So location, what I will do is I will put a very specific location where I am. So I'll put this one. Let's see whether I am here. Most probably I will be here. So okay, so I'm here. So I am in the somewhere between 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, or in 9th position it has listed me. So it doesn't matter whether you are in the first or in the 9th, okay, that doesn't matter. But when people search, okay, look at how keywords are playing. Keywords actually, when someone searches for something, okay, whether your profile goes there or not, it's something like Google search only, okay. So you have to put whatever job profile you like, okay, the job profile, job description, something like that. For example, if you're like trying to go for a marketing job, okay, marketing job requires something like a marketing professional, content writer, or advertising copywriter, okay, or event management person, something like that. Anything like related to marketing, you can put it those keywords. So something like 4 or 5 keywords if you put, that would be great, because we never know what is like the person who's like wants to give a job, what words he will search, we never know, okay. So put like 4 5 words. So that's why I put for people who search either faculty or trainer, okay, people might search for trainer for ACCA or faculty for ACCA. So both I have done. People might also search for faculty for marketing or strategy, right, or finance, like that. So however combination they search, okay, whichever combination they are searching, my profile should be there. That's why I have created a combination of words like this, okay. So you have to find out what combination works pretty much for you, okay. That's like your specific role. So that's the power of keywords here. So let's see the next one. In keywords, if you are already in a job, you can put the job title, currently what you are doing, 1, or 2, the company name, and as well as the keywords. So the keywords for which you have to appear in LinkedIn search, that words you can put. So job title is like marketing manager at ABC company. So that can be a simple job title, okay. So that's about the power of keywords here. So let's check something else. The next one is the most powerful section, which is called as about. So let's see in about section. In about section, you have to tell about your skill, okay, your strength, what solutions you have to offer to the business, what is your personal interest, something like what is your hobby, your learnings, your family, your travel. You can give some personal interest of yours, because it shows that you're not only giving your professional side, also you're giving some personal side, okay. You don't need to give too much, okay. Something like 3 4 lines is more than enough for your personal interest. So you have about section somewhere, okay. So you have your about section here. So my about section is, it tells me who I am. So innovative educator with 10 years of experience in professional finance and accounting courses, okay. So that tells me, that is the actually the first line tells like who I am, okay, what's my professional background. The second paragraph actually tells like what I could do. I help, okay, I help educational institutions with designing learner-centric courses, course review, guiding content development, structuring course delivery, like that. So what and all I can do, I have put it here, okay. So apart from that, any other additional things which I am into, that also I have put. So other than this, what are the things which I do professionally, I put it. So you can put in the same manner, okay. Who are you? What is your experience? Okay, in which domain, right? That you can put it here. And how you are going to help the company, okay. How you are going to help the company, that you can put it in the next. And in the last way, you can put where and all you are available on the internet, okay. So people can reach you through your Gmail, okay, or your mail ID. This is my YouTube videos list. This is my website list, and in core I have answered a few things, so that I have given here. My Facebook link, okay. So wherever you are in, because when people want to connect with you, they should be able to connect quickly with you, okay. So you can even give your phone number if you want. You can even give your phone number. That's not a problem at all, okay. So give it with an international number, okay, +91, and give your phone number. It's like great, because people here want to connect with you very quickly. So recruiters might want to connect with you very quickly. So they might, when they see your profile, and they might either quickly email you, or simply they might even call you. This is a very important thing, because LinkedIn might use these also as keywords. Okay, they might also use these as keywords. So keywords like educator, okay, this kind of a course names which I have done, or in what way I could help the institute. This and all are again like similar to keywords. Okay, you can also use the same keywords you have given above. Okay, similar keywords which you have given above here also again in the about section. So it's like telling LinkedIn that you are fully into this kind of a profile. Okay, so or you want this kind of a profile, so you can mention the same keywords here also. Okay, so that's about the about section. So let's go to the next one. The next one is experience, education, license and certification, volunteering, projects, honors and awards. So as a fresher, okay, you can put these things mandatorily. Okay, you have to put these things mandatorily. We'll just like browse it. Experience, if you have any experience, whether it's a part-time or whether it's going to be for a 6 months work or anything that you have done, put all those experience. Even if you're a fresher, if you have any experience, you put it here. Okay. 2, in the education section, you can tell about which college you have done and which course you have done. So you can put it in this section. Okay, so you can put it from your school level, whatever education you have, you can put it here. And if you have got any certificates or any license you got, mostly you would have got some certifications. So that certifications and all, you can type it here. Okay, whatever certifications you have, you can type it. Something like you have done any course or any specific any programs you have attended, you can put it in this place. You can also put volunteering. Okay, so volunteering, like in what way, in which organization have you volunteering? For example, have you done volunteering in Blue Cross, Red Cross, or something like that? Okay, you can put it here. NCC, NSS, those and all, you can put it in this place. The skills, I think we'll see it later. Okay, we'll see it later. Recommendations also, we'll see it later. So if you have done any projects in your UG or in your BCom, you can put those things here. Okay, you might have done like 1 or 2 projects. You can put what is that project here, and you can type like what is that project about in this place. So honors and awards, if you have won anything, okay, in your school or your college level, you can put those honors and awards in this place. So language proficiency, you can put it here, and I think that's like quite it. Okay, other things we'll see it later. Okay, it will help you to create a very basic kind of a profile. So this is your online resume, right? This is going to be your online resume, because normal resume is going to be like a hard copy or a soft copy, which you have to send it to other people. But here, LinkedIn, why it is so powerful is whenever you are like doing a course or whenever you have done a certification, anything, you can upgrade, you can update it in your LinkedIn. So it's a dynamic thing, right? It's dynamic, and 2, this is a resume which is like available to all people to view, right? So whoever has an access to LinkedIn, they can view your profile. So if someone wants to ask you like they want to see your resume, okay, you can, along with your resume, you can also send your ID. See here you have the LinkedIn ID. Here you have the LinkedIn ID. You can use this LinkedIn ID. You can send it to someone, so others can see your profile like this. Okay, so this is the profile view. Other people can see. So again, keywords here. The about section will be on top in this place. Then you can see the experience, thereafter education, okay, volunteering, license and certification, like that. So it keeps going on. Okay, so that is the difference between your view and the others view. Okay, so this is your view. Okay, this is how it's like visible to you. Okay, certain informations are only available to you. You can see it. For example, see analytics, private to you. Okay, resources, private to you. But in the public view, okay, it will be different. Okay, this is the public view. Other people could see these things. Okay, so that's the difference between private and public view. So my suggestion is, please start creating an online LinkedIn profile. Okay, it's like very useful. Over a period, every 6 months or every year, you try to update it so that your profile is always like updated and fresh. Okay, because LinkedIn also gives some consideration for how much updated you are. Okay, so that's the power of LinkedIn. So you can get more jobs, more opportunities through LinkedIn also. So you guys can reach me at my website. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I am very active on LinkedIn, and you can also reach me at Twitter. So if you guys really like the video, put a like for us, and share it with your friends who might find it useful. So if you guys have any queries or questions, post it in the comment section. We'll be like happy to answer them. If you guys have any other ideas for further videos, you can put it in the comment section. We'll be like creating a new video on that topic also. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.